Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting on the Quest 2 and confirming Wi-Fi and battery are good. That prevents interruptions while you customize. Once on, press the Oculus button to open the universal menu, then choose settings to access home options. Make sure your headset software is up to date. Outdated firmware can hide features. Now navigate to the personalization or experimental home section. This is the first actionable place where you can change environment, enable custom images, or turn on advanced layout controls. Once in home settings, pick an environment that fits your needs, a minimal room for focus or a vivid scene for immersion. You can pin apps to the home shelf by selecting an app, choosing pin, then dragging it into place. This reorders your workflow and keeps favorite apps one click away. If you want a personal background, use the Oculus mobile app to upload an image to your library or transfer files via USB. Make sure image aspect ratio matches headset expectations to avoid stretching. You finish by saving or confirming your changes and exiting settings to preview the updated home. Walk through the scene, open pinned apps to verify icons and spacing, and adjust distances or scale if items feel off. If something looks wrong, make small tweaks in personalization rather than starting over. If the layout doesn't apply, reboot the headset. If problems persist, reset the home layout in settings. This often resolves corrupted layouts while keeping installed apps intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.